Hello, today I'm in Dacia Sandero. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via USB cable or via Bluetooth. Now you can simply press this button to activate voice assistant. What's the weather like today?
Right now in Modenica it's 7 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered showers, with a forecast high of 7 and a low of 2. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 2. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.